Good afternoon, teachers. My name is Jeremy, and together with me, I have my group mates Irfan, Kim, and Singfai. Today, we will be presenting our project called the Conveyor Belt Filter. So, in this project, we will be tackling the problem of why and how, cleaners, they use a lot of effort and time to clean the tables in canteens or food courts. In the persona of a cleaner, these are some of the things that they may say, think, do, and feel. For example, some of the things that they might say: it is so hard to distribute the utensils when cleaning, or it takes extra time to sort out the utensils respectively. Their mindset: they would think that it's a waste of time to sort out all the utensils one by one, or it is a waste of effort to distribute the utensils. And some of the things that they might do, like they might use more energy to sort out the utensils. They might spend more time to allocate all the utensils into separate boxes, and this leads them to feel rather tired, distressed, or overworked. In this slide, I will be covering the journey map. We can see that most of the points falls under the negative spectrum, which isn't really good, with only one point in the neutral zone. Because of this, it shows us that the general experience of how the daily life of a cleaner isn't really good, and it motivates us to do this project to ensure that they have an easier time in life during work. I will now pass on the time to Kim to talk about the Gantt chart.
What you see here is our Gantt chart, which shows from plan start to percentage completion throughout our tasks respectively. How we have selected our final design is because our design is convenient and simple. Our product is a machine which is automated work and not manual. Because it is a machine, it distributes the utensils more accurately to the respective boxes. It will also sort the utensils in a faster speed, which saves the workload and saves time. In conclusion, having this product design requires less amount of effort and time used. Now I'll pass on the time to Irfan.
So during the ideation process, we still had challenges and technical difficulties. The main three that we had was we had no common free time, we encountered thinker's block, and we had a lack of materials. So how did we solve these problems? Well, to solve the no common free time, we decided to build our prototype and think of ideas during lesson time. And if we had plans that were less important, we would cancel them. To solve thinker's block, well, we thought of ideas over a span of time instead of on the spot. And if we came out with any ideas when we weren't together, we would put them in our Telegram group chat. To solve our lack of material problem, we actually went under Jeremy's HDB and collected material thrown away by residents. Obviously, we cleaned them. So I'm now going to pass on the presentation to Singfai.
We basically had three phases of design. The first where we made two conveyor belt prototype, but we felt that having two of them, we don't really need the two of them, and it actually made the whole product very chunky. So we removed half of the conveyor belt. When we move on to our second prototype, it has only one conveyor belt system, and we haven't added the filter yet. So we decided to add the base onto the conveyor belt. After that, we added more filter to the final prototype, as we needed to filter the cutleries, like the bowls, the cutleries, and the plates. And we had to filter. By filtering them, they will be sorted out accordingly. And we also added slides as well, because we felt that if you are able to slide the cutleries down, be a much easier way to do it. And yeah.
I am now going to show you how our prototype works. First off is the utensil. As you saw, when I put the utensil on the slide, it slid down and it went in between the two rubber bands, and it went through the hole which is connected to the collection box. Secondly, the plate. As you saw, when I placed the plate on the slide, it slid down, it went under this piece of cardboard and made its way to the end of the conveyor belt, dropping into the hole into its respective collection box. Lastly, the bowl. So, when I placed the bowl onto the slide, it slid down, got stopped by this piece of cardboard, and made its way into the collection box. Thank you.